Hello everyone, welcome to my own tech tips. Hope you guys are doing great and keeping safe. In this video we are going to talk about what is the best place for your soundbar to get best sound experience, whether you have to place your soundbar above or below the TV. By end of this video you'll be able to clearly say what is the right place for your soundbar in your entertainment system. We have lot of infos coming in the video, so please watch the video without skipping. While watching, if you like this video, please subscribe to Maimon Tech Tips for more useful tech videos. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. We humans have amazing ability to find out the distance, direction and angle from which the sound is coming using localization techniques. There are two types of localization. One is horizontal localization and another is vertical localization. In horizontal localization, based on the intensity of volume entering into left ear and the right ear, the brain will come to a conclusion that at what position the sound is coming from. If equal amount of sound entering into in both the ears, then the brain will decide the sound is coming in front of the listener. In another way, if the sound is more in left side, then the brain will understand that the sound is coming from the left side of the listener. Sound bars are designed in such a way that people should feel the sound is coming in front of them. To achieve that, we need to make sure the soundbar is placed exactly in front of the watching position to have better horizontal localization. As you can see in the picture, the first picture shows the listener is directly in front of the soundbar with exactly the middle position, which will actually give us enhanced horizontal localization, and in the other side the listener is sitting in the right side, which not gonna give localization what the sound engineer intended to produce in the movie. When it comes to vertical localization, the things are a little bit tricky. Since our ears are horizontally placed, even if the person talking from 1 meter in front of you, our ears will get the same decibel sound when compared to the person talking 1 meter above you. Now to identify from which position the speaker is talking, pinna plays a major role to identify from which direction the sound is coming. Pinna is none other than the outer portion of the ear which will receive the sound inside the ear. For example, our outer portion of the ear is designed in such a way that on hitting the outer surface, it will reflect the sound within the ear and then it will enter into our eardrum. As you can see in the left picture, if a sound coming from 0 degree, the frequency will be altered in such a way that our brain can understand that the sound is coming from the same level of our ears. And if the speaker is talking 45 degrees above you, or outer ear pinna will reflect the sound in such a way that the frequency will be little bit altered and our brain will understand that the sound is coming from a different angle. So in this picture you can clearly see that the source is exactly at the same level of the human ears. This is how the sound engineer intended to listen to the music or a movie. That's why if you go to any musician, they will actually place the studio monitors exactly at the same level of their ears. To have a better sound effects or better quality sound, we have to make sure that we will follow the same idea. In this case, let's assume if you are placing the soundbar below the TV, you have to make sure that the direct sound coming from the soundbar to your ears at least similar to the same height level of the ears. Similarly, if you are planning to wall mount the soundbar above the TV, please make sure that your ear level and the soundbar level is almost same so that the sound won't get reflected much by our pinna and you won't get any directional difference of the sound which is caused by the frequency change. Along with the soundbar, we have to give equal importance to the viewing television as well to get a better viewing experience, which is also equally important as the sound effects. When you consider the typical viewing angle of the TV, which is parallel or slightly above the head position, keeping the soundbar below the TV will actually result in lesser distance from the position of the ear when compared to wall mounting the soundbar above the TV. So make sure that in your entertainment unit, based on the TV's position, if you keep the soundbar above the TV or below the TV, which results in lesser distance from the height of the ear line, that would be the correct position of your soundbar. In our case, by wall mounting the soundbar below the TV, we will be having lesser distance from the soundbar to the ear level. So in most of the cases, it's also the same. So considering this factor, if you see the old age TVs, pretty much 99% of the TVs comes with the speaker below the screen to achieve better sound quality and lesser distortion from our outer ear. I hope this video is really useful to you guys. If you guys feel the same, please like this video and subscribe to my Moon Tech Tips. And if you have any questions regarding the speaker placement, please leave a comment in the comment section. We will try to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next video. Until then, bye bye.